Now dear student, we are going to discuss next question, and this question is given to you, question number 3.5, and in this question it is given at room temperature 27 degrees Celsius the resistance of a heating element is 100 ohm. Clear? So it is given at room temperature. So let's suppose I am assuming this is the temperature T1 and this is given to you 27 degree Celsius. Clear? And value of resistance is given to you, this is 100 ohm. Clear? What is temperature of element if resistance is found to be 117 ohm? So we can say value of R2, this is 117 ohm. Clear? And we can say value of T2 is what? This is question mark. Clear? Now given that temperature coefficient of material of resistor, it means we can say value of alpha, this is given to you 1.70 into 10 to the power minus 4 degrees Celsius inverse. Clear? Now we can say actually this value of alpha is given to you, T2 is objective. So can we apply here or can we write here one formula that R2, this is equal to R1, 1 plus alpha. I can write like this, 1 plus alpha T2 minus T1. Clear? Actually this is we can say this is the dependency of resistance on the temperature of a conductor. Clear? In the conductors or metals, you can say if we increase temperature, the value of resistance also increases. Why? Because the randomness of a free electrons, this is increases. Clear? So we can write like this, if you multiply it with R1, so R1 plus R1 alpha T2 minus T1. Clear? Now listen carefully. In this bracket it is given to you, we have T2 minus T1. Clear? T2 minus T1. So either you are putting temperature in degrees Celsius or in Kelvin, the difference always come out to be same. Clear? So we can say R2 minus R1, this is equal to R1 alpha T2 minus T1. Clear everyone? So from here you can say R2 minus R1, value of R2 is given 117 and this is 100. So 117 minus 100, this is equal to R1. We can say this is 100 into alpha and this is T2 minus, and T1 value is given 27. Clear? Now we can say this value is 17, 100 into, I can put value of alpha. Alpha value given 1.7 into 10 to the power minus 4. Clear? And this is T2 minus 27. Now we can say if we remove this decimal, we can say this one cancel, 17 and 17 also cancelled out. 10 to the power minus 4 multiply 10, 10 to the power minus 3, when it goes to left side it becomes 1000. Yes or no? So I can say this is equal to T2 minus 27, this is equal to 10 to the power 3. Clear? So from here we can say, we can write like this, T2 minus 27, this is equal to 1000. Clear? So value of T2, this is given by 1027 degree Celsius. Clear to everyone? So T2 value is given by 1027 degree Celsius. Clear? So this is all about this question. Clear?